In this video, we're going to talk about where you start in building a custom home. I'm Ginny Lee with the Premier Property Group. Let's take a look. Brian, how are you?
Hello.
Good to see you.
How are you doing today?
Good, good. Thank you for taking the time to chat with me.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what an absolutely beautiful home.
Well, thank you.
How do you get started in building a home like this?
Well, we sit down and meet with the client, and it usually takes more than one meeting, but we sit down and meet with the client and get a list of what they want and what they want in the house, and how many bedrooms they need, how many bathrooms they need, and then we just go from there.
What's usually the time frame from the process of when you start the design to actually beginning construction?
Sometimes it can take a while. A lot of times depends on how fast the homeowner can make decisions.
Sure, sure.
But it usually takes 2 to 3 months to start from the planning process to actually getting the completed plans ready to get a permit.
Okay. And what about this house is probably would appeal to most everybody in what they're looking for in a home?
Well, some of the nice things about this house is a 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms. Every bedroom has a bathroom, which is a nice feature, which is something specific that this homeowner wanted, as well as that 3-car garage we talked about, which was unique and difficult on this particular lot because the lot is not very deep.
Right.
So it was a challenge to get a 3-car garage on this particular lot. One of the main features of a house that everyone asks about, or is important to everyone, is the kitchen. And most people like this kitchen, for example, like an open kitchen that is part of or connected to the family room or the great room. Everyone wants or asks for a large island because everyone knows that when you have people over, you're entertaining, or even when you're just with your family, that everybody gathers in the kitchen. So kitchens seem to be one of the main features that everybody asks about.
And these are definitely custom cabinets. You've got a gas cooktop. What was really important with these particular folks is it looks like they might be really good chefs.
Yeah, what's interesting about this house and this kitchen is their previous house, the kitchen was very similar. And we took their old design and made it, and took what they liked about it and recreated it, and what they didn't like about it, we changed. One of the main features that a lot of people ask about in a house, especially our male clients or the male part of the equation, is the garage. And this particular client is a big car guy, so.
Wow, this garage is amazing.
Yeah, this is a pretty special place. Like we were talking about earlier, listening to the client, this was very important to this client, not to have a 3-car garage, and it is customized for him with air conditioning, stereo surround, TV, custom cabinets, and a special treatment on the floor. So it's
I mean, you could live in here.
It is definitely amazing. A place you could hang out, watch. As you're working on your car, you can watch some football. It's a great place to be.
Awesome. Thanks, Brian, so much for educating us on the building process and where somebody would start. One more question. If someone were looking to research builders in our area, what would you suggest they do and where should they start?
Well, again, we're very fortunate to have a lot of good builders in our area, so you have a lot of choices. I would probably start with the Building Industry Association and get recommendations for them based on your area of where you're looking to build. Another good place is finding a realtor. If you already have one or you're already working with a realtor, they usually have a lot of good contacts and can recommend a good builder for you.
And if they want to contact Keelam Construction, how do they do about doing that?
Well, we're online at keylineconstruction.com, or you just give us a call.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for watching today. I just want to thank Brian again with Key Lime Construction for giving us an education about where to start if you were interested in building a home. I highly recommend Key Lime Construction. They actually did the renovations on my bathrooms in my personal home. Again, I'm Ginny Lee with the Premier Property Group. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.